Kamruk District Committee, Khasi Student Union, Kersa Unit, All Assam Student Union, Soigaon Select Committee, All Assam Tribal Sangho, Kongaon Select Committee, Khilunjia Adhikar Sangram Committee Assam, Tinno, Surupani, Daripang, Gambalsi, Berindong, Mao Dongpul, Omandunggup, in Kamruk District of Assam and Kersa, Rajapala and Mangsung Village of West Khasi Hills. District, Meghalaya in upstream of the dam. The inhabitants of these state villages are Garo, Rabha, Bodo, and Khasi type who are very poor and backward in socio-economic education, but rich in their own culture. 99% of the state inhabitants are dependable on traditional cultivation like tea, crop, hazelnut, black pepper, sugarcane, banana, lemon, turmeric, ginger, pineapple, fruit, chili, brinjal, jungle, pumpkin, bamboo, etc. Having their small plot of land and they are living peacefully since long to be backward in the education, and the state ethnic group could not assimilate with other caste or community due to their own language, customs, cultures, etc. And as such, there are many measures in the constitution of this river, namely Rani Kamar, Baregaon, Lankhar 2, Lankhar Devastating Project. Number 5 and last, that